Hi, hello everybody, and welcome into my introduction video slash explanatory video of Make Your Own Card. The theme I chose was Valentine's, and the style I chose is dramatic. Dramatic, what does mean dramatic? Drama plus romantic. The word I invented, whatever. Let's go on. First of all, what I did was choose a picture, a background, in order to fit my needs. I was passing by, going through some images with entitled love, Valentine's Day, romantic on Google, but most of them was crap. So I found something like this. Let's say it fit my needs, fit my style, fit my whatever, and I have placed it there. So, first of all, I got this. Then I noticed that there's a very hideous blue bar saying hello world in my application, and I was wondering how I can take it off. So I came up with a brilliant idea. How about I go to the forum and look for an answer? I went to our Android forum, and I found someone that had the same problem, was looking for this, and he found it, so I used it. Basically, first of all, we have to find a file called styles.xml. This file you can find under, well, hello world, app, src, main, then res, values folder, and in the end you can find styles.xml right there. So here we have a style defined with the name app theme, and what basically you need to do in order to get rid of this thing is remove this thing dark action bar in the end. So, well, only dark. You delete the dark part, you put no action bar, so it's no action bar, and basically it's gone. As you can see here, the bar is gone, and you are bar free, hideous free, totally cool. Next thing. Yeah, we have a picture. So what do we do? How do I place it? How did I do it? First of all, I wrapped it all out in relative layout. Once I had relative layout, I decided to make it match parent with layout width and height in order the layout to be adapting with the device screen, with, well, any size of the device screen. The background here, actually this is an error of mine. It shouldn't be here right now. That was meant for testing before, as I was using the different style for scaling of my picture. Before I was doing something like this, I noticed that, well, the hand is kind of cut. It doesn't look very cool, professional. So yeah, I had to take it away. I'm a perfectionist. That was not fitting. Something was screaming in my brain. Gotta take it out. So it was gone. And that's why, well, basically, well, let's do it again. Why the background? Because if it wouldn't be black, this is how it would look like. This is the scale tab is fit center, so the picture is centered in the middle of the screen, and it's shrinked. So basically, this is not the perfect way to present my image on this screen. So let's go back, exactly. And let's put it also back as it was before with center crop. Next thing. As you can see, guys, we have a relative layout, and inside we have one image view and few text views. The image view we explained, the text views are designed, well, let's say customized to look, to lay not in exact same alignment, but well, a little bit more, let's say, different. What I did here, basically, first of all, is the first line. You can find it by line 1. I gave it ID line 1. With all my text views have layout width and layout height with wrap content. Then we have the text size with 21, text color is white. And the main part of the explanation of my text views is layout margin. I put 11 dps on layout margin from the top. So from this top side, we have 11 dps. And on the left side, right here, on the left side, we have 10 dps. So it looks like it looks a little bit moved down and to the right. Exactly the same thing we have with another next text views, with a small exception of this line here. Basically what it does, it places the text view below the ID that you gave it, or the object that you gave it. So in our case, this is line 1. Line 1 is right here. So this is a text view. So it places my text under object line 1, which is my first line. Same we are doing here, 21 SP as text size. Families, font family, defining the color, playing with the margin again. Here we have 30 dps of the margin. So as you can see, it's way to the right. And basically, and then we say layout below. Next line is exactly the same thing. And the next line also. That's line 4, if I'm not wrong. Exactly, that's line 4. Line 5 was pretty tricky for me because it was not really, I wanted to place it in the middle of the picture, but if I put it in the middle of the picture, what happens is that this line is placed more or less here, and it overlaps with the finger, and then you cannot read it. So I figured out that it doesn't look pretty good. I gotta do something with it. And basically I had to take it off. I'm gonna show you really quickly what did I do with this. Let's put Android, layout, align. That was in parent. Excuse me, this is not align, this is center in parent. This is how it's called. And then you have to give the value true. Let's take this line away for a second. As you can see, the weight what is, why is it moving? As you can see, the weight what line is overlapping with the picture, and it's not really clear to read it. So basically what I did, going back, and this line we have to go delete, exactly. Okay, now we're ready. What I did, I came up with an idea that I can create an object that will be centered in the picture, doesn't matter where, left, right, center, whatever, it's not important for us. The most important thing is that it's in center, so we can put it above of this object. I call it the cheat line or the line X. And then I go to my correct line, which is wait what. I put it above, as you can see, layout above line X. Line X is here. Wait what is here. Line X is here. Wait what is here. I put it above the line X. I give it ID. Then I put it on the right side of the parent. And pretty much that's it. This is the whole trick that I'm using. And well, for me it works well. This is not the best option, but well, it is what it is. What I could do, well, what I tried before was moving it manually with my mouse, but then the code is very, let's say, dirty, and it's inventing things like margins and different align properties which we don't really need. And then when you, for example, turn your device horizontally, like right now we have vertically. If we place the phone horizontally, later the margin will kick the object away and it looks horrible. So basically it takes the line out of order and the design is destroyed. The next line is I'll be there, and we have the same issue here. That's why we have another cheat line, line XX, and with exactly the same, it is exactly the same idea laying behind it. In all of those lines, I'm using different align parents. In this case, parent bottom right with the last line. And pretty much I would say that's it, guys. There's no more mystery behind it. This is what it is. I hope I will get better with it. And well, hopefully we all will do. And that's it. I hope it was interesting enough and explanatory enough. If not, please ask me, write me, shoot me, do whatever. Make sure you get it right. And good luck with the rest. Take care.